igama waphiwa kaDlamini oyi-founder ye-Ubuntu Creatives. Ngithanda ukubingelela ababukeli emakhaya. Ngithini sanibonana. Okay, Ubuntu Creatives, it's a company eyenza i-beadwork, senza ubuhlalo. Inkampani siyiqala ngo-2020 when there was a lockdown. So what we do, senza ama-necklace, senza amacici, kuba ama-bracelets, nemigexo ke ngokuhlukana kwayo. Sisebenzela e-mall la eMzimkhulu, la sisebenzela khona njengamanje, and currently sisebenza siwu-4. So it's imina uAphiwe, kube uThabo Dlamini, kube uLindani Mkhwane, and then kube uOlwethu Ndyebo. So iyona team yethu le sisebenza nayo. Abantu bayafika ba-place ama-order, and then sibenzele, si-specialize kakhulu ke with izinto ezi-customizing. So mhlambe like njengoba ubona this piece engiyenzayo, if you want something kanje, then usho mhlambe uthi ufuna sikubhalela igama, and then we do that. Usho ama-colors owathandayo, sikwenzele according to i-specification sakho. Lento yalobuciko ifike njengoba ngisho ukuthi it was i-lockdown. At that time I had umsebenzi engangiwenza, unfortunately due to i-lockdown i-contract kwakuthi igcine isiphela. So I had to come up with izindlela zokuthi umuntu akwazi ukuthi aqhubeke ayiphilise, even though isimo se-lockdown sase sisibambile. But then ngase ngithi okay, let me find something engizothanda ukuthi ngiyenze during isikhathi sami, njengoba ubona ubuhlali budinga isikhathi yabo. So I found ama-videos ku YouTube. That's how I started ukuthi ngibuka ama-video on YouTube ukuthi kwenziwa kanjani ubuhlali. Then ngafunda ngilokho ngiyifundisa, ngithola i-material. Ngase ngiqala ke manje sengibona ukuthi okay, there is izinto engikwazi ukuthi ngizenze. Ngase ngiyaposta kuma-socials, and then abantu bazithanda izinto, baqala ba-request ukuthi sicela usenzela nathi, and then ngabenzela abantu. At that time I was ngangisahlala eThekwini. So ngase ngifikelwa into ukuthi because eThekwini maningi ama-artist enza wona lo msebenzi. So ngase ngithi no, at least let me go back ngiye ngasekhaya, kube ukuthi ngiyoyi-implementa khona lento and see ukuthi izosebenza yini. And then ke kwawukuthi umuntu uyabuya from Durban uza la eMzimkhulu, ngahlangana nabo abafowethu labo ukuthi ngibalanda ukuthi bafowethu na umsebenzi ngicela sisebenzeni, and then saqalisa ke sasebenza nabo abafowethu njengoba sisasebenza namhlanje. Okay, esayidi ithemi izolaunch kwawukuthi nabo they need abantu since besebenza with ama-SMMEs. So that time bebenawo ama-SMMEs, but noma ngingathi abengakafiki mhlambe to the number ebebeyidinga, okanye they still wanted more because vele i-program engapheli. So bahlezi bewafuna ama-SMMEs. Namanje if kukhona umuntu ofisayo ukuthi athole usizo khona ku-incubator, ngingam-encourage lo muntu ukuthi aye uzolithola usizo. So nami I'm one of abantu ababa nenhlanhla ukuthi when kuzolaunchwa i-incubator bangibize, because they were looking around for ama-SMMEs that were already operating, and luckily nami ngase ngi-operator at that time. So bangibiza bangichazela with ama-services wabo ukuthi la ekhaya basiza abantu abanama-businesses, ama-small businesses, babasiza kakhulu with i-business development. So masikhuluma with i-development, i-business development, we're talking about ukuthi bakusize ukuthi uthathe ibhizinisi lakho lelo lenzayo noma ngabe lincane kangakanani, but ulirun as a professional business. I-incubating isize ngendlela eziningi ne, in such a way ukuthi banama-trainings abawa-offerishayo, babe if kunama-funding opportunities bayakwazisa ukuthi okay, there's i-funding ekhona, if ikhona indlela ukuthi bakutholela ama-form. So benza izinto zibe lula for wena as usomabhizinisi. Yes, so kulawo ma-trainings bebesithatha basenzisa ama-trainings on different aspects of i-business. and then njengoba ngisho ukuthi nanoma kunama funding opportunities bayakwazisa also mhlambe if kunama pitch sessions basithatha basifundisa ukuthi okay kuphishwa kanjena, this is what is expected mawuyo pitcha konke lokho. And then kungisizile kakhulu ke nami ukuba iphathi yayo i-incubator because sengikwazile ukuthi ngigcine nami ngihlomula from NYDA through usizo lwayo i-incubator ngokuthi isisize noma ngisho ukuthi basisiza nangama pitch sessions ukuthi sipitcha kanjani for i-business. Okay, miningi imikhiqizo esiyenzayo as Ubuntu Creatives ngalendlela ukuthi eminye kuba yibona abantu abasuggestayo umuntu afike mhlambe uzofika umuntu a request into esingakaze sayenza yabo. My request umuntu leyo nto because usuke eyidinga eyifuna ngalendlela asuke eyifuna ngayo, so thina okwethu ukuthi siqinisekise ukuthi siyamenzela ngalendlela ayifunayo. So masizo customize njengoba bengingachaza ukuthi it's whereby mhlambe ufuna into ebhalwe igama lakho, let's say iwashi noma ufuna ucu or umgexo, so ufuna into ezobhalwa igama lakho noma ngabe bracelet, siyakwenzela sikubhalele lokho sikufuna sikubhalele kona. If kunama colors owathandayo siyakwenzela lawo ma colors owathandayo, usho ukuthi mina because abanye abantu like mina nje as a Rastafarian so ngirelate kakhulu with these colors. So kunabantu nabo abanama specific colors ey'ntweni zabo abasuke bezenza, for example mhlawumbe izangoma, so nazo ziyafika umuntu afika athi no mina ngidinga into eyile mibala ekanje and mhlawumbe omunye uyiphuphile yabo. So and then njengoba eyiphuphile kufanele uyayidinga and thina kwethu ukuthi siyenze exactly the way ayifuna ngakhona. So far mawukuthi abantu bayasidinga siyakwazi ukuthi sibenzele lokho abasuke bekudinga and then for now indlela esiyisebenzisayo mawukuthi umuntu ukude engakwazi ukuthi mhlambe azozicollectela i-item yakhe, then siyakwazi ukuthi i-courier sisebenzisa uphepha. Yes, and then ama fees wethu they are affordable depending ukuthi into osuke uyifuna iyini yabo, but aqala from as low as u30 rands going upwards. Njengoba ngisho ukuthi it depends nanokuthi yini wena osuke uyi-request oyidingayo. Yes, and then ukufakela ePep siyakufakela with Pep courier ukuba nama option, it's optional ukuthi ufuna ukukhokhela kanjani courier, but courier ke isuke izoya kwi-courier, so yona ke iba it's either 100 rands or 60 rands depending ukuthi ufuna into yakho ithathe isikhathi esingakanani ukuthi ifike kuwe. And then ama contact details la sitholakala khona, siyatholakala kwezokuxhumana Facebook, Instagram na TikTok as well as Ubuntu Creatives. So nje ma usearcha uthi Ubuntu Creatives kulawo ma platforms uyasithola. And then also siyatholakala kwi-number yethu on WhatsApp noma on calls, inumber ethi 078 078 8654. That's inumber yethu. Ngicela ukuyiphinda ethi 078 078 8654.